Now we are going to solve another problem, straight line problem, which is inclined to both HP and VP. In this problem, the straight line length of 50 mm is given. Here, the end A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. This one point we can project. Then the top and front view of the line is 40 mm and 45 mm long. That means the top view length is 40 mm and the front view length is 45 mm, which is given in this problem. Draw its projections to find the true length or true inclinations with HP and VP. So here in this problem, let us first construct your XY line. Now we can mark the first end, which is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. This is going to be your A dash and A, which is at 10 mm and 15 mm. Now the top view and front view inclination is not given. The top view length is 40 mm. So let us construct a horizontal line of 40 mm from A to represent AB of 40 mm. This is 40 mm. And then the front view length is 45 mm. From A dash we can mark a horizontal line 45 mm length to represent your A dash and B dash. So this is going to be your 45 mm and front view, and this is 40 mm and it is top view. So the top view will be obtained when the line is inclined in the HP, that is in the VP inclination. We can see that inclination only on VP. So from this point we can just draw a vertical line. Now here we can mark the true length 50 mm by making an arc. So here we can take this 50 mm, we can take the line of 50 mm, and then from this end A we can just mark one arc to represent the true length of this point and straight line, which is called your B1 dash. We can join this. By a light line. Now from this front view length we can drop another vertical line downward, and then here the same 50 mm we can make an arc from end A to represent the true length on HP. Here we can draw one line. This is called your B1. Now we can draw the locus along your B1 dash as well as B1. Now this top view length we can make an arc on this locus. Front view length we can make an arc on this upper locus. Now first let us take your front view length A dash and B1 dash and make one arc at this point. This arc cuts at this point. This is called your B dash. This we can make it as a dark. Similarly, the top view length is AB. We can make an arc downward to cut the locus. So it cuts here at the point your B. So you can join this A and B. Now this is your top view AB and front view A dash B dash. This B dash and B will be necessarily lying on the same straight line or same projector. Now when you measure the true length inclination with the horizontal, which is the angle theta, that is inclination to HP. When you measure this true length inclination with your horizontal, which is called your pi. Now if you want to mark the dimensions, we can just mark it here. This is 10 mm and this is 15 mm. So here we can mark like this. This is 15 mm and this is 10 mm. This true length and other inclinations we can mark. This is how we can complete this problem. Thank you.